Albert Einstein was a German-born theoretical physicist, widely recognized as one of the greatest and most influential scientists of all time. Early life and education. Einstein was born on March 14, 1879 in Ulm-Württemberg, Germany. His parents were secular, middle-class Jews. His father, Hermann Einstein, was originally a featherbed salesman and later ran an electrochemical factory with moderate success. His mother, the former Pauline Koch, ran the family household. He had one sister, Maria, who went by the name Maja, born 2 years after Albert II. Career and achievements. Einstein developed the special and general theories of relativity and won the Nobel Prize for Physics in 1921 for his explanation of the photoelectric effect too. As a child, Einstein displayed an early curiosity and aptitude for mathematics and science. In 1905, Einstein published 4 groundbreaking papers that revolutionized physics and earned him the reputation as a leading scientist of his time. These papers covered diverse topics, including the photoelectric effect, Brownian motion, special relativity, and the equivalence of mass and energy. Harvey's 1985 study authors reported that Einstein's brain had a higher number of glial cells, those that support and insulate the nervous system per neuron's nerve cells, than other brains they examined. They concluded that it might indicate the neurons had a higher metabolic need. In other words, Einstein's brain cells needed and used more energy, which could have been why he had such advanced thinking abilities and conceptual skills. However, other researchers have pointed out a few problems with that study. According to Eric H. Chudler, a neuroscientist at the University of Washington. First, for example, the other brains used in the study were all younger than Einstein's brain. Second, the experimental group had only one subject, Einstein. Additional studies are needed to see if these anatomical differences are found in other people. And third, only a small part of Einstein's brain was studied. Another study, published in 1996 in the journal Neuroscience Letters, found that Einstein's brain weighed only 1230 grams, which is less than the average adult male brain, about 1400. Also, the scientist's cerebral cortex was thinner than that of 5 control brains, but the density of neurons was higher. A study published in 2012 in the journal Brain revealed that Einstein's brain had extra folding in the gray matter, the site of conscious thinking. In particular, the frontal lobes, regions tied to abstract thought and planning, had unusually elaborate folding. Here are some of Albert Einstein's most significant theories. Quantum theory of lights. Einstein proposed that all light is composed of tiny packets of energy called photon. He suggested that these photons were particles, but also exhibited wave-like properties on. Einstein noticed inconsistencies in Newtonian mechanics in their relation to the understanding of electromagnetism. In a paper published in 1905, he proposed a new way of thinking about the mechanics of objects approaching the speed of light. This concept became known as Einstein's special theory of relativity. The theory revealed that observers in relative motion experience time differently. General theory of relativity. This is an explanation of gravity. Einstein determined that the laws of physics are the same for all non-accelerating observers, and he showed that the speed of light within a vacuum is the same no matter the speed at which an observer travels to. Einstein also tried in vain to unify all the forces of the universe in a single theory, or a theory of everything, which he was still working on at the time of his death's later life and death. Einstein spent the later years of his life at the Institute for Advanced Study in Princeton, New Jersey. He died on April 18, 1955, in Princeton, New Jersey, USA.